I'm doing an unboxing of my recent bought laptop. As you can see, it was a little bit here. Seems a bit rough. I really expect this to not be a refurbished unit. I will be really disappointed. But let's open it. I'm cutting this. Well, let's start it with the charger. Well, or something part of it, the power cable. It's the European one. Well, it wasn't. I think that they revised it before shipping to see if everything is alright, because this is not how it's supposed to be. Because this is new. It's not refurbished. It's supposed to be brand new. Well, this charger, it's actually pretty small. 65 watt hour, 20 volts. Yeah, 20 volts, 3.25 amperes. The laptop is out, and the guarantee and instruction manual are out too. It's the Spanish version because it was the cheapest one. And Spanish and Portuguese, it's almost the same, so it's fine. And the keyboard, it's similar too, it's QWERTY, so it's fine. It's already unpacked. Now it has this protection cover. This is the laptop opened. Yeah, it has dust protection for the keyboard. And as you can see, the interior, actually, yeah, it's pretty glossy screen. As you can see, I'm appearing there. It's actually a lighter gray tone, brushed aluminium. I am not particularly a fan of brushed aluminium. I think that a clean look will be better, but well, it's pretty subtle. You can't really tell that much. It's really worse when it's plastic trying to mimic brushed aluminium. At least here it's really aluminium. It's the AMD Ryzen with Vega integrated graphics. It's the Vega 8 and Ryzen 5. It has fast charging and is compatible with optional Lenovo Active Pen. Actually, I recommend the Lenovo Active Pen too. It's much better, and it's worth the extra price. And it's convertible, of course. As you can see, this part is plastic, but it doesn't wobble at all. It's pretty sturdy actually. This is the intake vents, and the exhaust is right here. Actually, let me show you. Yeah, it's right here. These are fake ones. This is the Harman speaker. I will be showing quickly the ports on this laptop. We have here the power. Port, full HDMI, USB Type A that is always on, or you can enable that or disable in Windows. A Type-C port. All USB ports are 3.0 or 3.1 Gen 1. That gives you 5 gigabits per second of speeds. And here we have a headphone jack. In this size we have a Kenshin lock, we have USB Type A and a full SD card reader. It's not UFS speeds compatible. In the power button, it's on. I'm installing a language package, and as you can see, it's getting pretty loud. I don't know if it is lack of drivers. I didn't install anything besides the language package, so it might need some drivers and chipset updates, but it's slightly loud for a tiny laptop. This model has no backlight, as you can see. I will be seeing if it has bloatware, but it seems that it's not the case actually. Yeah, it has some Realtek and Lenovo and some apps there, but I think that doesn't have much bloatware at all. Yeah, it's pretty clean actually. Let me just show specs here. Yeah, it's a Ryzen 5 2500U, and that has a base clock of 2 GHz and a boost clock of 3.6, and it is equipped with 8 GB of RAM, DDR4, dual channel. You have 2 slots available. No slot is soldered. That's fine. That's actually good. If you want to upgrade to 16 GB of RAM, you can do that. Test the audio quality. This is at 50%. This is at 76%. And this is at maximum volume.